Supply chains generate enormous amounts of information every day. Orders, forecasts, shipments, supplier updates, market signals. The challenge isn't finding data, it's turning data into action. And the way we do that has evolved dramatically as supply chains have become more complex. Following a framework proposed by author Pascal Bornet, we are seeing a 6-step evolution of automation, and we are working on making sure companies go from level 0 to the highest possible levels of automation. Here are the different levels as proposed by Pascal Bornet. At level 0, everything is manual. A planner receives an email, opens a spreadsheet, and updates information by hand. At level 1, we automate repetitive tasks. A script automatically copies purchase orders from one system to another. At level 2, artificial intelligence begins assisting. A machine learning model predicts demand, or a document extraction service reads invoices. At level 3, we enter the era of agents. An AI can understand language, reason, plan, and interact with multiple systems to solve a business problem. At level 4, agents become increasingly autonomous. They monitor situations continuously, adapt to changing conditions, and proactively recommend actions. And ultimately, at level 5, fully autonomous systems could manage complex business processes with minimal human intervention. Most organizations today are somewhere between levels 1 and 3. The opportunity ahead is moving toward intelligent, agentic operations. The major transformation change that supply chain leaders are seeing nowadays is in the implementation of those level 3 and level 4 agents. This is where Microsoft agentic tools come in. Agents built with these tools can understand natural language, access business data, interact with documents and applications, call external APIs, and deliver clear recommendations in plain English. Microsoft enables users to build agents rapidly, define their purpose, connect to multiple knowledge sources and business systems, and deploy them directly across a wide range of platforms, including Microsoft Teams, web applications, and custom solutions.
So what does this look like in practice? Let's walk through 3 concrete examples of agents you could put to work in your supply chain today.
The first use case is a sales and purchase order intake agent. Instead of manually entering information from PDFs, the agent reads all the documents you receive, like purchase orders, invoices, and deliveries, and automatically extracts all the necessary information and loads it directly into your systems. The second example is a purchase order tracker agent. Instead of having someone manually check the status of all your purchase orders and containers, you could have an agent continuously monitoring shipments, containers, ports, weather events, and disruptions through external APIs, then alerts your teams so that you can act on that information and avoid potential downstream inventory stockouts. The third example is a forecast exception analyzer agent. Tracking hundreds or thousands of SKUs and their related forecasts is impossible for human-only teams. But with the help of agents, you could have extra helpers that can continuously monitor your actuals versus forecasts to identify exceptions with their related drivers like weather, promotions, social trends, market changes to help planners focus on what matters most.
This is the promise of AI agents for supply chain. Not another dashboard, not another application, but intelligent agents that sit on top of your data foundation, understand your business, and help your people make better decisions faster. The question is no longer whether AI belongs in the supply chain. The question is, if an AI agent could work alongside every planner, buyer, and analyst in your organization, what would you ask it to do?